Hello children. Today in ENVS class we will know about plants. The chapter which we are going to read today is about the plants kingdom. We see different kind of plants around us. Do you know why plants are of different types exist? Plants grow on mountains, in desert and even below the sea. In order to survive in different places, plants have variety of shape, size and features. Like animals, plants are also living things, but they do not move from one place to another like animals. According to the plants have been classified into 5 types. So today we are going to know about the types of the plants. So, what are the types of the plants, children? They are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Now let us know details about these types. Types of plants. Number 1 is tree. Some plants grow very tall and big, like peepal, coconut, gulmohar. I am going to show you different types of trees. As in book we have studied about the classification of plants. Now we are going to the garden to see the different types of plants. You can see now a tree which is very tall and strong, known as mango tree. Here we can see the trunk of the tree which is brown in color. It's a tall and strong and has a strong stem also which is brown in color. Now let us know about shrubs. Plants with smaller stems that branch off near the ground are called shrubs. They have thin woody stem. For example, rose, hibiscus, henna. This type of trees live for many years. That means shrubs live for many years. Rose plant, which is known as shrub, and it is bushy. The shrubs, as we have studied, is bushy in nature. See, we can see small branches and small branches. It's bushy. And next plant we are going to hibiscus. Hibiscus is also a shrub. Other name of hibiscus is known as shoe plant. See, it's a thin stem and it is brown in color. The stem is brown in color. Is a thin hard stem. It is also bushy in nature. Hibiscus and rose both are examples of shrub. Now next type of plant is herbs. Herbs are very small plants. They are smaller than shrubs. Their stems are soft, thin and green in color. Most herbs live only for a few months. Now let us know some examples of herbs. Rice, wheat, tomato. These are the examples of herbs. Some herbs like canna live for many years and some herbs like banana grow tall. This is a lady's finger plant. Here we can see the green stem, lady's finger. This is the fruit, lady's finger, and here it is green stem and it is smaller than shrub. Lady's finger or herb is smaller than shrubs. This is a chili plant. Fruit is hanging on the tree. Chili plant is also a herb, and these all are seasonal plants. It not live for many years. It lives for 2 months or 3 months. Marigold, this is marigold plant. This is also have green stem, short and green stem. This is all are examples of herb. Next comes the climbers. Children, Did you see money plant? Most of us keep money plant surrounding our home or in our house. So money plant is a type of plant which falls under climbers. Some plants have very weak stems. They need the support of the wall of or another plant to climb. Is the climber, that is money plant. Here we can see that money plant needs the support. One stick is there. With the help of that stick, it has climbed up, and these are tendrils. With the help of these small roots, tendrils, it is holding the rod and it is climbing up. So money plant is a climber which needs support to grow up. The last classification of plants or type of plants is our creepers. Like climbers, creepers also cannot grow straight. They grow along the ground. They have weak stems and they creep along the ground. So they are known as creepers. Pumpkin, watermelon, bottle gourd, these are all the examples of creepers which creeps on along the ground. Here we can see a plant that is pumpkin. See, this is a pumpkin leaf, and these leaves, these are creepers which creeping along the ground. It's creeping along the ground. It has also small tendrils. See, it's very weak stem, thin and green stem. These are all tendrils which takes the support and grow along the ground. It's so weak that I can also, if I twist it, it breaks. So children, today we have all known about the classification of plants. That means there are different types of plants in our world. So we have known their types and the details of them. In next class, we will know about the parts of the plants. Till then, bye bye.